to use the software in the textbook for assembly programming, you need a Linux operating system. So one of the easiest way to install Linux operating system in your computer is to use a virtual machine. So that will not affect your original system or other software. So here we have just a video tutorial how to download and install a Linux virtual machine on your computer. It takes 2 steps. First is to download virtual machine software. Another step is actually download the virtual machine for Linux. So first, go to the link on Canvas, download the virtual machine first. So we're going to use the VirtualBox, which is a free virtual machine available. So we'll download the Windows host for Windows machine. Notice this only works for Windows because we need a x86 Intel processor for our assembly program. So download complete. So we can click the download and start installation. Accept agreement. Accept the default setting. Okay, so download complete. Just check the start Oracle VirtualBox. Press finish. So that's going to bring up the virtual machine. With the download and install the virtual machine containing the software needed for the course. So click on this link. So already create this virtual machine with the software installed. And click on that. Allows you to download the file. So this is a virtual machine file. It's put it on the OneDrive, my OneDrive. You can download it. It may take a little time because the file is a few gigabytes. It's quite large. Check the download. It's about 4.9 gigabytes. So it's going to take a while for downloading. Okay, so almost completed. Okay. Download completed. So go to this virtual machine VirtualBox. Now we can import or download the file as click on the import. So we can now import or just download the file as a virtual machine into our VirtualBox manager. So click on import. Then let's go locate the file we just downloaded. It should be in your download directory. Yeah, so here's the file just downloaded. Select the file and click on open. Then click on next. And just some settings for the machine. So here's 1 CPU, 4 GB of default memory, and it will be stored in the folder. You can change the settings if you want, but you can here we can leave it as default. So it's importing the virtual machine. Take a minute or so. Okay, now it's done. So you can see here on this left panel, you can see there is a machine called Ubuntu 24.04. That's a Linux machine using Ubuntu Linux has been installed. Now you can see it's powered off. You can start it. To start the virtual machine, select the virtual machine and press start. Now the virtual machine is starting. This is called the Ubuntu 24.04. So that's the newer version of the Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so here's the login screen. So this login name is osboxes.org. Click on that, it asks you for password. So password actually is the same as the login name, osboxes.org. Okay, so now we log in. Now you can see that there's a desktop of the Linux virtual machine, and you can explore this desktop. So here there is a terminal that you can open to type in commands. Another one will be used a lot is this SASM debugger. So click that to open it. There is a Firefox web browser as well. So this here we can open, for example files from our textbook. So like we can open already download the files for the textbook. So here it's for different chapters. Let's go to chapter 6. This is a simple system called GCC example. If you open this one, you can see the interface like you're going to see in the example in the class 2. So here you have this assembly program that we can build to make sure everything is correct. Then we can click this button to run. So here it's run successfully, and that's the output. Just print out this line to the screen. Okay, so that's how you can download, install, and run the virtual machine. So when you are finished using it, you can just click on close this window and to shut down the virtual machine. Just click OK. And the virtual machine shuts down. You can close this VirtualBox manager as well.